Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to edit the muzzle flash and sound effect into the video. So this is the original footage. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to shoot any prop gun you want. Like I'm going to do a muzzle flash tutorial. So basically, just get your gun. I'm gonna say fire. Okay, now let's go to imovie and let's get straight into it. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to put a muzzle flash into a video clip that you want. So this is original footage. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to shoot any prop gun you want. Like I'm going to do a muzzle flash tutorial. So basically, just get your gun. I'm going to say fire. Okay, so we're going to find the original place where I actually fire, and I like to have my settings on all the way so I could get more accurate with it. I'm gonna say fire. Okay, so this spike here is where the actual fire or the muzzle flash will occur. So we've got footage of muzzle flash and sound effects and stuff. I got this from I got these things from Footage Crate, and so make sure it's keyed because it's got that white background. So basically, I'm gonna take this one and I will put it in here. I don't need this anymore. But okay, so fire. Now we're just gonna play around with it until we get it right. So what I like to do is, okay, so it's the actual fire is right at the start. So I put it picture in picture, and actually before I do that, I'm gonna edit this to crop to fit, and I'm just gonna keep the, yeah, that's good. So now that we've done that, it looks bad, but we can fix that. Picture and say file. Okay. Today I'm gonna. Now that we've done that, we should get the yeah, okay, so we've got that, and now I'm just gonna take this, split the clip, split it again, and just turn this sound right down, and we'll go back to our stuff, and there you go. Handgun shot sound. Now the thing is with this, we're gonna actually need a gun. Yeah, okay. I don't really need the end bit, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. And it's only, we just put it in here. And now we'll switch it over. So I'm gonna say fire. That didn't really work, so fire. This part sucks. Okay. Fire. So fire. We just need a fire. Oh. Now we just need to fine tune it until we find the right spot. That was pretty good, except fire. Okay, so now that we're done, we just need a... Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to shoot a any prop gun you want. Like, I'm going to do a muzzle flash tutorial. So basically, yeah, get your gun. I'm going to say fire. Okay. And just saying, this isn't my best example, but it will, if you just play around with it, you can get the job done easily. And also, leave in the comments if you would like me to do a blood spray as well. Thanks.